Hi everybody, this is Jen and I am here with my ASC design team package. So to start off my haul, I'm going to show you some freebies. We have a pen, which everybody loves these pens. If you're not a member of the ASC Facebook group, go to the Facebook group and every once in a while you'll get a long strand of comments about the pens. Next I have some ITD collection freebies, and these can be in anybody's order, so if they throw them in for you. These are nice rice papers, and they just have some small florals and some sentiments, which these are perfect for my miniature furniture. So thank you so much, and be on the lookout for some freebies in your packages. We also have one of these like snowy night scenes, and it's huge. I don't know what I'm going to use that for. We will figure it out, but it's nice to get things that you wouldn't buy yourself just because then you know. Also, I haven't got any yet, but they have grab bags now, and they're really awesome grab bags and great deals. And don't miss your paper sale. It's going to be March 3rd through March 10th. They're going to have a paper sale, so I'm not sure what exactly it is, but they're always good. Having said that, don't wait to order because paper packs go fast. So the first item in my haul is the 5.5 by 5.5 by 2 inch black album box from Graphic 45. So this is a new one for me. So let's open her up and see. I have the pre-made album that I got from the last haul that I haven't used yet. But these are always nice to have around for when you just want to throw something together quick. Typically when I do these kinds of projects, I put them up on the ASC auction house group. And I do have a full album up on that group now, and it's linked in my description below. So be sure you head over to the ASC Facebook group and ASC auction group so that you don't miss out on some great deals. So this is neat. It is a magnet, and it opens like this. And it's an album. Oh, okay, so the album comes out. You can put the album in here after you decorate it. So there's your hinge system. After you decorate your pages, you just attach the hinge, and then you have an album in the box. So that's kind of neat. I'll probably make this album separate and then it won't be attached to this. I'll just make my own little cover for it. These are always fun though. So it gives you a good base to start with. And you don't have to think about it. The only thing I will say, Graphic 45, is make some gussets for your pockets instead of gluing them straight away. They never have gussets on their pockets, so you can't put things in the sides. I thought maybe they would fix it, but they don't. So the pockets only go that far. But, I mean, it's okay. It's just not my preferred method of doing it, I guess. So, cool. That's the 5.5 by 5.5 black box, and that magnet is strong. Okay, so that'll be fun. We'll do that not the way we're supposed to do it. And then I haven't been buying paper, but sometimes you just got to. So if you've been following me for a while, you'll be like, yeah, these things are totally Jen. Like this chocolate kiss from Mente, and I'm not a big Mente person, but the reds and the pinks and the browns, I love them. I could not resist this paper collection. So I'm not going to flip through everything, but I'll show you the individuals. I want to make all sorts of things with this. I want to make cards with this, and I know nobody that I can send a Valentine's Day card to. So anyways, I got the 6x6. I got the 6x8 and the 12x12. So all fun. All fun. Love these papers. Love the colors. I guess I could send Valentine's to my crafty friends. So there is the Mente collection I got. And then this says, this screams me. This screams me. So this is a Enchanted Forest collection. I think this collection originally came out in like 2018 maybe. But I love it. And I still have some of the original, and I have the 6x6, but we'll not talk about that yet. So this is all medieval fantasy loveliness. Your colors are like orange, yellow, green, and cream. And in the 8x8, there's 3 of each. Look at those cut aparts. This was before they had the solids and patterns, so you can get solids and patterns with these. They did have a 6x6 paper pad with this, but a lot of the Graphic 45 paper collections are like interchangeable. You just have to find your base colors. So like right now I'm doing a Wonderland. Right now I'm doing a Graphic 45 Halloween in Wonderland. And I paired it with the Enchanted Charms? Enchanted Halloween, I think. Anyways, I paired it with a similar color so that I could use the scraps from that one. And you can't even tell. Here's your signature page. I'll take another dragon, please. I could use like 10 more dragons in this paper. And then, even on the 12x12, you get the three of each. And they're the same papers, they're just bigger. And this collector's edition does not have stickers with it. Okay, so there's the Graphic 45 Enchanted Forest collection. If you're anything like me, grab that one up. I can't wait to use it. I think I'm going to use it in the same kind of album I'm making for the Wonderland collection. And then I got this really nice bright and bold collection, which every once in a while I just love doing it. I got the Solids and Patterns, the 12x12 and the 8x8. And again, they don't have the stickers with them anymore. They did come out with some new, I think they have florals on the side and ephemera, and I did and journaling cards. I didn't get any of those this time. So I did not get any of the extras, but look at these colors. Here's your greens. Nice bright greens. Your reds. And this is just the solids and patterns. Blues, the dark blues, I guess there's more than one blue. And then this lighter blue, which I really love. This would be great for, I did a kitchen a little while back. This would be great for that. Okay, and then the 12x12 and the 8x8 are the same, just different sizes. So let's open the 8x8. It's a little more manageable on camera. Okay, we have, again, 3 each on these. Cute little cut apart sheet there. I love the red. I love how deep it is. Cherries. These colors go together so well. They did such a good job. As always, there's the dark blue and the light blue together. That's nice. And the red and this light blue together is really nice. This may be my favorite sheet. Both sides, but I really like this floral. And I'm not a floral girl. Alright. This is somewhat a signature sheet, but it looks like a cut apart. I love you, Cherry, much. Cute. Okay, and then that's it for my paper. I do have one more thing. They have some mini calendars that look like this, and it is going to be March now. But these are really nice for like little desk calendars, so you can make your own desk calendars. We may do some of that now that I have a set for myself. But yeah, so if you're interested in these little calendars, they're perfect for little desk calendar projects and to use your scraps up on said desk calendar projects. So yeah, grab your calendars. Okay, so head on over to ASC Supplies on Etsy. That's asccraftsupplies.com. Everything is down below. Head over to the ASC auction group if you're interested in purchasing some handmade goods at extremely reasonable prices for charity. And use on the ASC Craft Supplies group, buying your supplies, use Scrapping Posh 10 for 10% off your normal price purchase. And we'll see you next time. Thanks a lot. Bye-bye.